Welcome to IJMS Painters and Interiors. Today we're going to be treating a moldy wall. You're going to need some bin stain blocker, you're going to need some mold resistant paint, some tape, a 5-in-1 painter's tool and a brush. So let's do it. So this is what the wall looked like before. Black mold growing all over the wall. First we started by cleaning the wall and adding some tape to separate the wall from the skirting boards. We applied the first coat of anti-mold paint to the wall. Give it 15 minutes to dry, then add the second coat. Now we use the bin stain blocker. Using the 5-in-1 painter's tool, very nice tool to use. Easy to use. We apply our first coat of bin stain blocker to the wall. Now here's our second coating of bin stain blocker. Now we repaint the whole wall using a nice either silk or emulsion paint. We're going to be painting over the two paints we've used, which is the mold resistant paint, first to treat the wall. The second one is the bin stain blocker, which is used to stop any black marks showing through the paint. And now we're using some nice white, brilliant white emulsion to repaint over the wall. Again, you're going to give it probably 15 to 20 minutes dry time for it to be dry to the touch. Apply as many coats as you would like on top of the treatment, but make sure the anti-mold paint is applied first. Then bin stain blocker. Then you can go ahead and use your emulsion paint or silk paint or any paint of your choice. So we go ahead and remove the tape, and this is what the wall looked like before. This is the after. What a difference. Again, this is the before. This is what the wall looked like from the water damage or the black mold growing all over the wall. Very horrible. And this is the finished product. We are IJMS Painters and Interiors. Thank you for watching.